Mark, I appreciate all your help. I signed up for Send in Blue. Seems like it's a Spanish company from Spain or maybe Mexico. I don't know. Trying to find out where I am now. Okay. I tried going through this Gmail button to put this stuff in because I'm using a Gmail account. Oops, I left the L out of that. Gmail, yeah. So I'm using the Gmail account. I tried going through this, but it wouldn't let me do something. I would try to do something, it wouldn't let me do it. So I tried going through other providers, and I'm able to put all this stuff in. Um, I got this information from Sendinblue. Let's see it over here. Oops, this one here. Okay, so I'm using this information here. Um, let's see. Okay, we're going to pause this for a second. Back in Prospect Rocket, and this is where I want my reply mail to go. Info at Best Results Online. So that's my. I'm hoping I'm doing this right. That's it's not a statement. It's a question. And the password over here is the password of the email account. Oops, spelled that wrong too. Boy, oh boy. Okay, please provide a custom username. Provider. Valid username. Oh, that's. I'm learning how to type again. Okay, so now I got my username. My email is where I want the results to go. This password I'm thinking is to go with this on the account, so we'll put that in here. CHALFIN question number one. I wish this had a little button over there so I could see and make sure I typed that in right. Because I don't know if I typed it in right. Okay, so now I click on connect. We cannot verify the SMTP connections, it says. So I'll try that again to make sure and find out what it does say. We cannot verify the SMTP connection. Please ensure these are valid and retry. I retyped in the password. I'll give this a try again. Nope, still says no. Use the same credentials for IMAP. Over here it says IMAP. Type in the IMAP username and the IMAP password. I don't know what that is. And this over here, IMAP best results. That should not be best results, should it? It should be that 2675HIR. Should that just be Gmail? I'm thinking that should be gmail.com. Username. And the password for that is going to be now this forced to use SSL over IMAP port. I don't know what to do about that. And verify IMAP connection. I don't know what to do about that. So we'll try that. Nope, that says no. Connect. That also says no. Okay. I'm hoping you can tell me what to do over here because I'm going to stop right here because I don't know what to do. I'm hoping you get back to me by morning. It's about 11 o'clock at night right now. I'm going to hit the sack and I'll be up somewhere about 6 or 7 o'clock in the morning. Thank you, Mark. Nope, I tried that. I tried that. Sender name. Try that. Still says no. Okay, pause.